How to refer someone to join Costco. Hey everybody, if you'd like to do so in today's video, we'll be explaining how. So what you may do is you may basically look out if there is the refer a friend program available in your region or during a promotional period. So if that particular thing is available currently running a refer a friend promotion on your area, you may just go ahead and refer a friend using the process. Or what you can do is you can basically go ahead and visit the membership counter at your local Costco with your friend. Both of you need to be present physically, and your friend will need to provide a valid ID in order to do so. And mention the referral program to the employee to receive any associated benefits. And after that is done, you can basically invite your friend to sign up for Costco. Just go ahead and ask your friend to sign up for membership either online at Costco.com or at the membership counter of Costco warehouse, and they will need to provide necessary information and identification, and that way you can refer someone to join Costco. Otherwise, if you are the primary member, then what you can do is you can add one another person as a household card holder, allowing them to shop at Costco with their own card. So ask them to uh, join the membership. After that, you can go ahead and allow them to shop at Costco with your own card, with their own card. And this can be done through Costco.com in the membership or the membership counter. Just go ahead and do so. And the card holders can also be added online during the initial application or at the membership counter. And while doing so, you need to consider that Costco membership is not transferable. Guests are allowed into the warehouse with a member, but only members can purchase items, and Costco membership is available up to individuals 16 years of age or older. And that's it. So, therefore, if you'd like to refer someone to join Costco, you may go ahead and look out for this option and see if that option is available in your place or not. So, therefore, I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we'll be seeing you in another video.